4 things a wife loves in her husband, and 4 things a husband loves in a wife. I think there's more. If you can do them, mashallah, you'll have a beautiful life, enjoyable one with your spouse in every way, inshallah. These are not from me. I've done lots of research in this area, long years, from experts and Muslim judges who talked about it. This is decades of research. I'm just summarizing for you, putting it on a plate for you, inshallah. Number 1, she loves when he defends her, protects her, and supports her. Even if she doesn't admit it, she likes it. He listens to her, he listens to her emotions, he listens to her words, he listens to her, and he's patient with listening. When you're listening to your wife, throw in another word whenever you get a break to show her that you have been listening. Number 3, to give her tender physical touches. Yeah, and you like this, little hug, kiss on the forehead. Number 4, he compliments her and shows her interest. The newness goes away after 6 months, 1 year. You guys are going to get a little bit bored of that. No, you've got to keep going, inshallah. Renew it. Try other ways. Number 5, makes her feel secure and safe that he will not leave her and look for another woman. This is the biggest fear women have, Muslim and non-Muslim, that their husband's going to betray them. And I think that's the reason, which is wrong, why some women, they say to each other, hey, don't show him that you love him too much, because he'll leave you. These men, they'll look other way, but keep him on edge. This is wrong, brothers and sisters. Now we go to the 4 things a husband loves in his wife. Number 1, on top of the list, there is nothing more important than this number 1, sisters. Respect. Now you might say, but what about me? I need respect too. Yes. The respect we're talking about with the man is a little bit different. It's a little bit stronger. It's a little bit more serious. What are we talking about respect here? Respect his leadership. Respect that he's your protector. Respect that he's your provider. The duty which Allah gave him, that 1 extra degree. Number 2, the man likes his wife to look good for him. The biggest thing a man hates is when a wife looks bad for him at home and looks good for everyone else outside. Number 4, shows confidence in him and his abilities. So the sister appreciates his efforts, she appreciates his help, she appreciates his tiredness. I said this last time, that randomly say to your husband, I appreciate your effort, wallah, I couldn't do it without you. Say it. Wallahi, you will pump him up and make him amazing. Number 4, she speaks well of him to her family and his family. She doesn't go to her mum and dad and says, man, he's a this and he's a that. No. You will make your life hell. Not from him, from your family. And lastly, physical touches. Men love physical touches from their wife.